Hello, my name is David, and today we are going to make the cores from Super Smash Bros. So let's start with the basics. First, I take a ball of clay, a purple one, a green one, a red one, a tan one, and a blue one. I flatten all of them to make like little ovals, and then I carve a circle in them. And in that circle, I make symbols. This one is where you just take little teardrops of clay, you flatten them, flatten the end, and put them together to make basically a recycling symbol. For this one, I take a U of clay, which is just a snake of clay cut out and turned into a U. And then I make a line here, with the same snake of clay except thinner. For this one, I take a snake of clay, I make the end pointy, and then take another one to make the little things. And for this one, I take a round circle of clay, I bump the edges until it makes an octagon, or sextagon, either way. Then I wrap a snake of clay around it, and that's that one. For this one, I make like an arrow of clay, then I cut out the inside of one half of it. So, yeah, that's how you make the cores from Super Smash Bros.